Let me open the sauce. Tapi aku nggak terlalu suka banyak saus. Okay. Kalian apa kabar? Oke. Aku lapar banget. I'm so hungry. Let me eat my bebek. Kata teman aku bebek. Ini aku beli dari gerobak. Nasi bebek legenda. One of those. Okay. Amen. Sausnya pedas. Sausnya kepedesan sini. Jujur. Bebeknya nggak kelihatan. Aduh, aku nggak bakat mukbang. Oke. This looks spicy, so I'm just not even gonna touch it. Sorry. Hey, it's so gurih, bro. Wah, ini gurih banget sih. Kita makan malam semuanya. Makan pakai tangan. No, thank you. Aku baru mani-pedi, terus kutex aku putih. Dan aku takut kalau makan pakai tangan nanti jari-jari aku kotor. It's okay. Esther lagi di Los Angeles. No, I'm not in Los Angeles. Nasi bebek. Di Los Angeles nggak ada warteg. There's no warteg in Los Angeles. Okay, sate kulit time. I love sate kulit. Sate kulit. Period. Ini satu porsi nasinya baik banget. Aku nggak habis sih. Aku nggak suka pedas. Sebenarnya suka. Aku lagi mulai suka. Cuman nggak tahan aja. My stomach doesn't do good with spicy food. So I tend to avoid it, or I tend to avoid eating too much of it, but I do look for it. I do try to put spice a little bit in everything that I eat, just a little bit though. I'm not strong enough to do too much. I should have asked for more. Cause ini dikasih nasinya baik banget, terus bebeknya dikit banget. Esther, what's your favorite color? What do you think? Queen, bisa klarifikasi nggak soal kamu ketiduran pas mau surprisein adek? Siapa yang ceritain? Who told you? Adek? Wah, parah banget. Kapan coba Adi cerita? Ih, parah banget. Gak ngomong-ngomong. Tapi ya aku sempat ketiduran pas nungguin mau surprisein ulang tahun. Pas aku masih sekamar sama Ade, when I was in one room with Shaz, Christy and Violet were preparing her birthday surprise on our first floor in our apartment. But then because we were waiting for 12 a.m., I got really sleepy and I fell asleep in our room. And then when I woke up, Shaz was gone. Shaz was downstairs and I ruined the surprise. Like, she found out what they were doing downstairs and I'm like, I'm so sorry. Sorry. Tapi ini bebeknya enak sih. Aduh, ini enaknya makan pakai tangan sih guys, tapi aku bener-bener baru bikin kuku. Gimana dong? Oh, aku belum makan amplaknya. Api and amplak. Aduh. Gede banget. Set. Sorry, for the English-speaking fans. This is duck, rice duck, nasi bebek. What is nasi bebek in English? It's a dish with rice and duck and ati ampela is what? And liver. Yes. Sorry, my English tonight is not so good. I apologize. Sorry, mister. Keras banget. Bumbu hitamnya kepedesan nih. Aku yang cocok-cocolin dikit. Who likes makan pakai tangan the most out of all of us? Probably Ade. Whenever I go out to have, or whenever kita kayak syuting di luar kota, syuting di Indo, terus whenever we shoot in Indonesia and our moms would come and visit on set, or we have free time after we were working and we're eating together with our moms, it's usually me, Shaz, my mom, and Shaz's mom. Shaz's mom and Shaz, they're both like foodies. Dan mereka berdua suka makan pedas. They love spicy food. Both of them love eating with their hands. Karena mereka kayak truly kayak Indo to the core, yang gak enak kalau gak makan pakai tangan. My dad is Batak. So dia juga kalau bisa makan pakai tangan. But because my mom is a princess, and I also grew up spoiled like a princess. Jadi aku jarang banget makan pakai tangan. Kalau aku bisa minta sendok garpuk, aku minta sendok garpuk. Tapi There are some foods that I have to eat it with my hands. Cuman yang maklumin lainnya aku baru selesai bikin kuku guys. Kukunya putih, jadi kayak nggak lucu sih kalau aku makan pakai tangan. Dan aku ini lagi di rumah anyway, so kayak ayam kan nggak seru kalau makannya pakai sendok garpu. Ini juga sebenarnya nggak seru sih. Yaudah aku pegang dikit deh. Aku lagi nggak ada sarung tangan plastik. Jangan lupa es teh manis. Tenang, aku udah nyetok teh favorit aku. Ini kulitnya enak sih. Ini bukan usus ya, ini kulit. Yes. Kapan comeback? Ayo, kapan ayo. Petition what? Make my hair burgundy forever. Tadinya aku mau ganti warna rambut, tapi karena kalian suka banget ngekomenin red is your color, red is your color. Ya udah aku tahan deh. Ini susah banget. Udah deh, pakai tangan aja. Enak banget. Enak banget, coy. Maaf. Nggak sopan. Aku bener-bener sambelnya aku cuma cocol-cocolnya dikit banget guys, kayak dikit banget. I don't know if you can see this, tapi it's karena aku nggak bisa pedes. Kenapa komennya cepet banget? Aku nggak bisa baca. Hello Esther, which artist would you like to collaborate with one day? Brian? Rich Brian? Maybe. I would love to. I'll send him a text. Who knows? Udah makan bakso urat Lebak Bulus? Nayar. Aku udah bolak-balik Jakarta dan aku masih belum kesampean. Sorry. Aku sayang kalian. Cilok? Tadi nyaris banget beli cilok, tapi kayak lebih kepengen nasi gitu buat makan malam. Makanya, why do I even bother with the spoon and fork? I'm just gonna eat it with my hands anyway. Does Nona Esther like house music? You know what? I'm not very knowledgeable of house music, but whenever I listen to people playing house music, I enjoy it. I think dancers who dance to house music are also really, really cool. Dagingnya tinggal dikit. Ow! Esther, gimana caranya kamu jaga makan? Nggak dijaga. Oops. I balance eating healthy, but also if I have a craving for unhealthy, I will not ignore that craving. I listen to my body very attentively. I don't mind. I will try to still stay healthy and eat healthy as much as I can. Have my meals be full of nutritions, but at the same time, kalau misalkan aku lagi ngidam nggak tuh? Kalau misalkan aku lagi kepengen pizza, I will buy a pizza. Kalau aku lagi kepengen kayak gini, makanan dari warung, I will buy makanan dari warung. You know what I mean? Kayak aku nggak kayak avoiding food at all costs to keep my body in shape, because I feel like in order for me to be happy, I prioritize my happiness over how I look. So, and thankfully the other Nona members are the exact same, and 88 Rising is very loving and very supportive of that. At least now they are. And that's basically what we've been doing as Nona. Whenever kita kayak, aduh udah capek nih, udah nari tiap hari, yuk makan enak yuk. Yes. How did I start my singing journey? So, I grew up in church. Sorry, aku ADHD. Pernah makan ayam Richeese nggak? Pernah. Oh, kepedesan. No, thank you. I grew up in church, and my parents were pastors, but also they were worship leaders, and my dad and my mom were singing in church. And whenever I would attend church on Sundays and I would be kayak di tengah-tengah pujian penyembahan and I was worshiping, my mom noticed that aku kalau nyanyi nggak fales, atau nggak aku kalau nyanyi kayak nggak buta nada pokoknya. So my mom was like, oh, my daughter can sing. So she started giving me are putting me in singing lessons, piano lessons, dance lessons, these lessons, that lessons. And I also surrounded myself, or I was surrounded by so many amazing musicians growing up. And I grew up in a very, I grew up in a very musical community. So I think I've just had it easy growing up, and I recognize that privilege. So I started my music journey there, but I never really saw it as a career growing up. I just saw it as a hobby until I enggak sih, aku masuk Indonesian Idol, aku juga nggak, I didn't really see it as a career yet. Again, it was still a hobby. Aku masuk LSPR, aku masuk band club juga, it was still a hobby. It was just something that I liked to do. The first time I saw it as a career was when I got the call to be in Nona. So, yes. Kak, kalau makan pedas ngaruh ke suara nggak? Kalau buat aku ngaruh ke perut. Karena besok palingan aku sakit perut pagi-pagi. Kakak suka nasi padang nggak? Maaf guys, kebanyakan dari nasi padang tuh kan pedas ya, dan aku nggak bisa pedas. Jadi kalau aku ke rumah nasi padang, ke rumah makanan padang, aku palingan cuma ayam pop sama sayur-sayurannya. I like this, but it's way too keras. Kayak biasanya ampela nggak keras ini sih. Makan lontong nggak? I love lontong. Aku suka lontong kalau pakai sate ayam atau sate taichan. Enggak sih, aku bohong. Sate taichan biasanya aku nggak makan pakai apa-apa, cuma taichan doang. Kalau di US paling kangen apa dari Indo? Makanan sih. Makanya kayak mumpung kita semua lagi di Indo, pasti kita nyarinya makanan yang kayak gini. Duh, keras banget. Sebenarnya ini ada ati, tapi I love ati. Jadi ini best for last nanti. Kalian suka film horor nggak? Nggak. Aku nggak bisa. Baiklah tuh yang jago. Aku nggak bisa nonton film horor dikarenakan aku apa namanya? once I see a face, kalau misalkan ada jump scare terus ada kayak muka apa, muka nggak jelas, muka setan, muka ini, muka itu, pasti aku bakal keinget, terus bakal masuk ke mimpi, bakal nggak keluar dari kepala aku. Walaupun aku nggak percaya, tapi aku orangnya kagetan, jadi aku nggak bisa nonton film horor. Udah deh, kenyang. Aku nggak habis, nasinya masih baik banget. Buat besok aja nasinya. Wow. Sate kulitnya enak banget sih. Dasar kenapa sering pakai outfit motif macan? I love leopard print. I love zebra print. I love cheetah print. I love animal prints. Tapi kayak kebanyakan aku nyarinya pasti leopard print. Motif macan. Karena cantik aja. Karena kalau marah kayak macan lucu. Motif ular juga bagus. I love the faux fake animal prints. Bagus banget nailsnya. Makasih. Baru. Hah? Kenapa Raka Gilang? Gilang, my love, why are you here? Gilang, what are you doing here? Takut. Have you listened to Tear by Rich Brian? Of course I have. Are you guys kidding me? Is this a wig? No, this is my real hair. But yes, I have listened to Tear by Rich Brian. I think it shows his versatility. I love that he doesn't put himself in a box, doesn't put his artistry in a box, and he's brave enough to venture into new genres. That's something that I respect Brian for doing, and he inspires me to be a better artist. Love Brian. Okay, best for lastnya, sate kulit tinggal segini or the ati. Ati dulu deh, baru sate kulitnya, karena kulitnya enak banget sini. Apa lagu favoritmu yang dinyanyiin, yang kamu sering nyanyiin lately is Beyonce's Don't 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 Don't. Lama keras banget. Lama keras banget, boy. Maaf. Aku bukan slow eater guys, aku kekerasan makan. Bentar ya. Iya bentar ya, aku kenyang. Kenyang. Kenyah dulu. Kunyah dulu. 2 detik. Oh, Tuhan Yesus. Oke, terakhir is kulit. I love kulit. Here you go, kulit. Yes. Habis itu aku selesai deh. Kenyang. That was a good dinner. Thank you guys sudah menemani makan malam aku. When will you go live again? I'm live right now. What? Spill workout. Nari lagu work 5 kali berturut-turut aja udah workout guys. Thank you so much for being proud of me. That's happy birthday yang hari ini ultah. Selamat ulang tahun. As we sip, body's insane, how could you complain? Plus I know you love my personality. I think I wanna go back to school and have a locker full of pictures of you. So give me an A in biology, I'm graduating soon. I think nggak minum, iya minum. Kalian nggak apa-apa, aku tinggalin bentar ya. Psych, bye. Morning dew. I get so excited when I feel you. Hi. Kirain orang gak jelas, ternyata Esther is crazy. Apaan itu, apaan? Woi. Apaan? Woi. Takut dong. Itu apaan? Kalian gak jelas. Fix kalian gak jelas. What the heck? Woi. Kaget. Elsa kangen, Christy nggak kangen? Come closer to me because you guys are so far away. Okay, I'm back. Iya, nasinya masih banyak banget, habis porsinya kayak lauknya kecil banget, and then the rice is so much. I can't finish that. Menendu, menendu. Kangen ade nggak? Kangen. TMI for today dong. TMI untuk hari ini adalah aku tadi abis bikin kuku, aku jalan-jalan di pinggir jalan sendiri nyari makanan warteg. Kayak anak hilang. Oops. Terus udah malam, sampai aku teleponin teman aku, Ji, kamu lagi di mana? Karena dia tinggal daerah situ juga. Terus aku tanyain, warteg di sini yang enak yang mana? Terus dia bilang, kalau di sana yang enak nasi bebek. Ya udah, aku beli nasi bebek deh. Morning dew, bahasa Makassar Koester. Oh, kolaborasi Makassar and Batak. Pelan-pelan dong, aku nggak bisa baca. Menendu, give me that morning dew. I get so excited when I feel your touch. Happy Sunday. It's Saturday. Don't make me panic, darling. Ada hubungan darah sama Audrey GAC? No. Tapi kita udah dari lama banget selalu dimirip-miripin. Terus kemarin pas ketemu kita yang kayak, we do look alike. Udah nonton Toy Story 5 belum? Udah dong. Of course, aku nontonnya hari pertama Toy Story 5 keluar. Terus pakai hoodie Disneyland. Terus aku paksain papa juga pakai hoodie Disneyland. Terus aku ajak my best friend Kaisa juga pakai hoodie Disneyland. Terus kita semua pakai hoodie Disneyland. Terus nonton Toy Story pakai hoodie Disneyland. Sorry. Kalian emangnya jam segini nggak makan malam juga? Kalian gak lapar apa? Lihat Ete udah kenyang. Kamu bisa aja. Lucu kamu. Kak Ete ajakin apa? Ajakin yang lain live. Aduh, kalau satu malam pasti semuanya pada lagi sama keluarga-keluarga mereka sendiri, yo. Kalau dari sudut pandangan kalian, I'm talking to the orchids and the people who watch Nona and have been following Nona. Who do you think Nona should collaborate with in the future? I want to know, because I have my wants, I have my wishes, but who do you guys want to see us with? Okay, pelan-pelan. Please, pelan-pelan. Oke, banyak cewek ya. Yang cowok cuman Brian sama Justin Bieber. Oke. Oh, King Nasar, baiklah. Gas. Seperti mati lampu, ya sayang. Wali. Gas. Timur ke barat, selatan ke utara. Oke. Noted. Terima kasih semuanya. Pengen tahu aja, pengen cek sikon kalian tuh kalau ngelihat Nona kolaborasi someday itu sama siapa. Oke, terima kasih ya untuk semua masukannya. Nanti aku notes terus aku kasih ke tim. Yes, I got you bro. Emang kamu inget sis? Trust me, aku inget. Karena kebanyakan yang kalian tulis kayaknya sama-sama sih. Boleh stop nggak? Siapapun yang kirim itu, stop, kata gue. Nggak, masalah ini kamar gue lagi sunyi, lagi nggak ada suara. Agak jump scare kak, aku deg-degan jadinya, jantung gue udah di lantai. Bener-bener deh. Stop ya, stop. Makasih loh, makasih udah effort, cuman agak shock nih kak. Aku lagi nggak make upannya guys hari ini, maaf ya. Maaf friends. Tuhan Yesus. Stop. Kok beda mukanya? Karena lagi gak make upan. Maaf ya, ntar. Nanti aja. Udah malam guys. What the heck? Stop it. Guys, kalau kirim gitu-gituan pakai duit kan? Stop ya. Stop sending me things that cost you money. Just save the money for yourself. The economy is going down, okay? We're in a recession. Save your money. Don't spend it on stupid things like Stop. Yeah, save your money for a Nona concert someday or a Nona tour. That's not a spoiler. That's just me teaching you how to be financially responsible. Okay? Stop. Hey, mari bergoyang. Oil and gas from Indonesia. Very bombastic, blast the speaker. Are you on your day off? Yes, I am. Work hard, play hard. My version of play hard is nasi bebek.
Kuat punya hati ada niat, ada tekad tahu bulat, ayo berbuat. Sangkuni paring marto dan aku toh proyek akor.
Maksudnya apa sih? Aku takut. Itu serem tau gak sih? Karena ini lagi sunyi-sunyi. Kenapa tiba-tiba ada dangdut? Kan aku dibikin panik. Stop ya. Stop. Please, aku mohon. Playing any video games lately? No. I've been just vibing lately. Karena kita lagi tiap hari bener-bener kerja dari pagi sampai malam, jadi kalau nyampe rumah tuh kayak pengennya cuman bersih-bersih, makan terus langsung tidur gitu. I lately do not have time to enjoy my hobbies unless it's weekends. And that's why today aku kayak cari waktu, hari ini hari Sabtu kan, aku cari waktu untuk bikin kuku, untuk bobo siang, untuk bikin sarapan, beli kopi, bersih-bersihin kamar, jalan-jalan di pinggir jalan, cari makanan warung. Udah deh. Hobinya apa? Hobi aku adalah I love designing my room. That's very random, I know, but I love kamar aku tuh lumayan kosong. Jadi belakangan ini aku suka banget nyari-nyari furniture pieces or trying to figure out how to decorate my room more and kind of curate a closet that is very me. Nyari-nyari artwork kalau mau aku pajang di dinding. Yes, aku masih junk journaling. Cuman belakangan ini, again, like I said, I don't have the time or energy yet to do it lately, so I've just been gathering junk, but I haven't been journaling it. Oh. Why is my mom calling me? Halo? Hmm? Fine. Okay. Oke, aku harus pergi. Bye guys. Aku seharian di kamar doang, terus aku kunci pintu, terus kayak aku gak ketemu mama sama sekali, dan mama kangen, jadi aku harus pergi nongkrong sama mama dulu. Sorry ya guys, tolong mengerti, karena mama aku jarang ketemu anaknya.
Kuat punya hati ada niat, ada tekad tahu bulat, ayo berbuat. Sangkuni paring warto dana buto proyek negor.
That's a good ending. Let's stop here, okay? I gotta go spend some time with my family. Okay? Bye. Love you. Mwah.